Welcome back to AbcFirst Kids. Look around, we are in a magical jungle. And I am Iggy the Insect. Can you hear my squeaky cute voice? Today, we are going to play and learn all about the amazing letter I. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at the river. Here is big I, and here is small I. Now let me show you how to write it. Big I, line down, top line, bottom line. One line down with a shining dot on top. Easy and fun.
Time for our super fast guessing game. Look at the frames. 3, 2, 1, guess the word.
What is this, tiny friend? Yes! Insect. What is this icy home? Igloo. Who is this cool lizard? Iguana. And what is this sweet cold treat? Ice cream. Yummy! You won the game. I is for insect, insect. I is for igloo, chilly and neat. I is for iguana and ice cream so sweet. Dance with Iggy, E-E-I.
Hooray!
Yay, let's party.
That song was awesome. Now, stand up, my friends. Let's do the magic jungle jump. 1, I. Jump 2, I. Jump the tree, I. Wow, you did it. Made the whole jungle glow. High five.
You were amazing today, my friends. If you loved Iggy and our jungle adventure, don't forget to like, click subscribe, and ring the bell.
So you don't miss anything on AbcFirst Kids. Get ready! Because our next video is going to be super exciting. We are going to learn the letter J with a magical dancing jellyfish hat. See you next time. Bye-bye!